Let's face it, if you own a BMW, you've never used your turn signals. In fact, the only signal you use is this. Because road rage is dangerous and not using your indicators can cause accidents, here's how to properly use them for the first time. Step 1, wipe the cobwebs off your turning indicators. Make sure to properly lubricate your indicators as they will be sensitive for their first time. It's very important to console your turning indicators. I've driven you for like 4 years. I think we're ready. Put on Adele's new song Hello and proceed to cry. Finally, you're ready to press the turning indicator. I regret everything. Never use your turning indicators again, and proceed to floor it everywhere. That's more like it.